Hey, second grade. Okay, so for this activity, you are going to need your whiteboard and a marker. Make sure you have those in front of you right now. Okay, so remember that a pronoun is a word that takes the place of a noun or nouns. Now, earlier in the week, we learned that a singular pronoun talks about one person, place, thing, or animal. Some of these pronouns might be I, he, she, or it. Now there are also plural pronouns, and plural pronouns talk about more than one person, place, thing, or animal. Some plural pronouns might be we or they. Okay, so this is where you are going to need your whiteboard. I am going to give you some examples of sentences. And I want you to do two things. You are going to find the pronoun in this sentence, and you will write that on your whiteboard. Then you will write if it is singular or plural. So first of all, I want you to read this sentence out loud. It says, they are going to get a snack at the cafeteria. Which is the pronoun in this sentence? Go ahead and write it on your whiteboard. Okay, the pronoun in this sentence is they. Now, is they a singular or a plural pronoun? They is plural. It is talking about more than one person. Let's look at another example. Read this sentence out loud. Okay, it says, the children wanted to play with it. Which is the pronoun in this sentence? Go ahead and write that on your whiteboard. The pronoun in this sentence is it. Now, is the word it a singular pronoun or a plural pronoun? Write that on your whiteboard. The pronoun it is singular. It is talking about just one person, place, thing, or animal. Okay, so this next example is going to be a little bit different. I am giving you two sentences. Okay, first read the sentence out loud. Okay, they say, Jade and I are working together. Are showing teamwork. So Jade and I means we are talking about more than just one person. So we are going to need to find a plural pronoun to take the place of Jade and I. Which plural pronoun could you write in the second sentence that would make sense? You could have said, we are showing teamwork. Jade and I are working together. We are showing teamwork. Okay, let's look at the next one. Read these sentences out loud. They say, Nellie does not like tomatoes. Prefers to eat carrots. Okay, so we are talking about one person. Her name is Nellie. She's a girl. Nellie does not like to eat tomatoes. Which singular pronoun could you use to replace the word Nellie? You could have said she. Nellie does not like tomatoes. She prefers to eat carrots. Alrighty, nice job, friends.